What's up, people? Y'all know who it is. Alright? I figure I'd go out and get me a new product. Something that'll help me get some of these details done faster and quicker. You know what I mean? So, I went out and got me a product that I can use on newer cars. You know what I mean? So what I got here, people, is Meguiar's Mirror Glaze number 83 Professional Dual Action Cleaner Polish. Alright? As you can see, it has a cutting level of 6. So that's a little bit above half, so it will take out light to medium swirls, stains, and oxidization. Alright? It combines abrasive cleaner and pure rich polish for deep gloss shine. Alright? It's effective. Buffered abrasive cleaning removes defects without marring the finish, which is what you want when you're doing newer cars. Alright? It's safe for every finish, including clear coats. Alright? So, method of application, if you look on the back, it says you can use it by hand, you can use a DA polisher, and a rotary polisher. So you can do it with all three. Alright? I'm not going to read the directions. When you get your products, you should be reading the directions before you use them. Okay? But I will say that you should use some kind of hand protection or something when you're working with this product if you're going to use it by hand. Alright? I'll say that. And you might want to tape off your trim and stuff, because I don't know if this will leave a residue on your trim. Alright? So like I said, this is a fast cleaner polish by Meguiar's Professional line. But you know me, I'm a detailer. I'm not a car washer. Right? So I can pair this up with the soft buff cutting disc, right? Or I can pair it up with the soft buff finishing disc, right? These are brand new, never been opened. Okay? This product ran me, it was $26.99 plus tax, $28.26, right? Tax in Hawaii, 4.7%. Okay? So yeah, guys, this is what I got today, man. Right? Meguiar's Mirror Glaze 83. I'm gonna give it a test run, right? See how it does. I'm quite sure, you know, Meguiar's don't make no crap, you know. So I ain't out here to diss nobody else's products, you know. I love Mothers, I love Meguiar's, right? I love Nanoskin, right? This Grill's Garage 6-inch buffer. You can't beat that puppy for work proficiency, right? And getting the job done, right? Yeah, I use my stuff, man. It don't just sit in my closet, right? For me to make videos about King of Shine, man. I'll talk to y'all later.